One small change, one big headache. That's the reality of working with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain Management. A seemingly innocent addition of a new relation can bring your entire system to its knees, breaking queries and crippling dependent features. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a design flaw, or a necessary trade-off for the system's flexibility? Diving into the Dynamics 365 F&O enigma. In a recent blog post, https://community.dynamics.com/blogs/post/question posted $-79653B-CDBB-F011-BBD 2-000D3110039. Evaldas Landauskas highlights this very issue. He recounts a personal experience where adding a relation from a third-party tool caused a standard query to fail, leading to unexpected downtime. The root of the problem, Landauskas argues, lies in the lack of transparency surrounding how Dynamics 365 F&O automatically selects relations. The missing link, documentation. Landauskas laments the absence of clear documentation explaining this process. He scoured official resources and community forums, only to come up empty-handed. This lack of guidance leaves developers vulnerable to inadvertently breaking their systems. Through meticulous testing and research, Landauskas managed to unravel the mystery. His blog post provides valuable insights into how relation selection works within Dynamics 365 F&O, offering a lifeline to developers navigating this potential pitfall. Beyond the break, year-end adjustments and efficiency hacks. As we approach year-end, Kimi Aminafar from Logan Consulting, https://www.loganconsulting.com/blog/period-1-3-posting-for-d365-finance, reminds us of another crucial aspect of Dynamics 365 Finance. Period 13 posting for year-end closing adjustments. This process ensures accurate financial reporting, a critical step for any business. Mastering the system, shortcuts and model creation. To truly harness the power of Dynamics 365, efficiency is key. Mastering keyboard shortcuts can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing you to navigate the system with lightning speed. Furthermore, understanding model creation is essential for developers. It empowers them to customize and extend the functionality of Dynamics 365, tailoring it to specific business needs. Food for thought. Landauskas' experience raises important questions. Should Microsoft prioritize more transparent documentation regarding relation selection? Is the current system's flexibility worth the risk of accidental breakage? We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation about how we can make Dynamics 365 even more robust and user-friendly. Unlock more insights. For deeper dives into Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain Management, consider joining msdynamicsworld.com. Membership grants you free access to a wealth of resources, including news, analysis, white papers, case studies, and product brochures. Stay ahead of the curve with our periodic email newsletters, delivering the latest industry insights directly to your inbox. Learn more about us here. https://mesdynamicsworld.com/about_us